Weber iGrill 3 app-connected thermometer, designed for use with your smart device and the new Weber Genesis 2, Genesis 2 LX, and Spirit 2 grills. It's quick and easy to get started. Just download the free Weber iGrill app, turn on the thermometer, and then pair the iGrill 3 with your smart device. It's as simple as that. The iGrill 3 is weather resistant and lets you connect up to 4 probes to monitor different foods simultaneously. To set up your grill session, simply select your food and pick the desired doneness. You can also set your own preferred target temperature. Now track the core temperature of your food. The temperature is displayed in real time directly on your smart device. Once your food is ready, the iGrill 3 will notify you. Get ready to serve up perfection. iGrill 3, available now.